Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. In this video, I'll be attempting to rebuild the brush head off a Dyson DC40 vacuum cleaner. I took it apart because this bit here was really dirty. All in there, it's a bit weird, all in there was all dirty, like those little crevices get fluff in them, and I'm wondering should there be like a plastic cover on it or something, but the one I have didn't come with one, so let's have a look. So that's the little cable there that plugs in. And over here I have the, over here I have the motor, the brush motor unit. I think that was the last thing I took apart, and I remember it was quite difficult to get it to come apart. The reason I'm posting it kind of backwards rather than showing you how to take it apart is because normally you take it apart and you can't remember how to get it back together. Okay, so that just wiggles in like that. And put that thing back there. This cable out of here. This should sit down. Why won't it? Okay, that's in. This piece came from somewhere. Underneath, I'd say, judging by that. And we've got this piece here. I think which one's on top, so let's put this cable, clip this cable together like that, and it should snap into place, I think. Oh, it's stuck on something. It shouldn't be stuck. There it is. Okay, I think it snaps in. I think. Maybe not, maybe it just sits there. No, I think it does. Am I upside down? Oh, I've clipped it in the correct way. The cable goes that way, in there, under that little plastic tab there, and in like that. I don't know. Okay, that's where it's going to be. Then that one goes on the top, and there's 3 short screws, one in here underneath, in there, and one here and one here. I think a T10, but it might be T15. T10 will do it. Torx screws. There's that last one. In there. Yeah, so usually, in my experience, this is a cable cover on the back there, and these are slightly longer screws. Usually, in my experience, when you're doing jobs like this, you can't remember for the life of you how to get something back together when you're faced with all the bits. You end up pinching the cable and all that kind of stuff. What I found was I wasn't able to get that cable out. Now, have I gone too far already? The brush. The brush, I think, snaps and sits in. Let's try it first. There's 4 screws holding this brush on. And so whenever you see a book that says reversal is the or reassembly is the reverse of removal, it never really helps. This should snap in here as well, but it doesn't seem to want to. Why not? There it is. Okay. That looks okay. Then that goes up that way. This one, there's a screw there. Yes, I think that's meant to go in under here, so then pull these out again. That's meant to go in here to this screw here. That should come out. Shouldn't have gone in the first place, and this little thing snaps in there. Well, it doesn't really snap, it just sits in there. So it's a little wiper deflector, maybe you might call it. Looks like we're sucking diesel now. Push that in, get little bits of hair out. I've given it a good wipe down. I haven't submerged all of it because, you know, as soon as I use it again, it's going to get dusty again. Okay. 4 little screws. These have a little Phillips head in defiance to all the other Dyson components that have Torx heads. I'm not sure what the purpose of using Torx is. They do, like, in some ways, they used to be the kind of the safety fastener or the more complex fastener. Now they're everywhere, and most people will have a Torx screwdriver bit set in their screwdriver set, but they definitely slip less than these. Like, the screwdriver is slipping as I'm turning it, so I have to keep a lot of pressure on it, whereas with the Torx, because they've got a straight side, they don't skip. The screwdriver doesn't jump out of the head in the same way. Looks like we're almost there. I think this is it. This goes on the back, so this goes on the front. That's it, just snaps like that. Lock, oh, yeah, that's it, locked shut. Little red pieces go into each side there and it locks shut. This is like an air glide system, so it automatically adjusts, blah blah blah. It's got a little rubber kind of concertina thing going on there all the way around. That's it. Then the last bit is just to snap it shut on the device. So I'll offer it up to the vacuum cleaner and then snap this on from below. Little locking ring, and that's it. That's how you do it. That's the active base plate for a Dyson DC40. I don't see a model number on it. I'm not gonna look. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you later.